Hello, grade twos. It's been so good to see everybody back at school and learning online, and everybody's trying their best. So this week I'm going to do the video, and then on Thursday or Friday we will have a lesson on Zoom and then go through all of the work again. So please make sure to do the work. Okay, let me share my screen with you. So today we are going to learn about Unit 5.2. Okay, so you're going to need your whiteboard and marker, or if you don't have your whiteboard and marker, then you can just use a piece of paper and a pencil. Okay, so today we're going to review the properties of materials that you learned last week, and then we're going to learn how to sort and separate materials into groups. I know that you've done it in grade 1, so hopefully it'll be easy peasy lemon squeezy. And then I'm going to explain to you what you need to do in your activity book for homework. So let's start the review. So do you remember all the different types of materials? We get plastic, rubber, paper, wool that comes from a sheep, glass, concrete to make walls and floors, roads, wood, rock, fabric, okay, and metal. Remember, there are many different other types of materials. These are just some. Okay, so remember, to sort means to put things into groups. So we can sort things into groups according to their shapes, according to their colors, according to their size, or according to their properties. So here is a sweet sorting machine. It is sorting the different sweets according to their color. Okay, this is a coin sorting machine. It is sorting the coins according to their size. Okay, so the big coins go into one place and the small coins go into another group. Okay, remember, we sort every day when we recycle. When we recycle our rubbish, we put all the materials into groups, like all the paper, things made of paper, all the things made of metal, all the things made of glass, and so on. So let's go through what are some properties of materials. So we did this last week. Sorry, rigid. Okay, that means it cannot move. Flexible means that we can bend it and change its shape. Strong. Weak. Okay, weak means it will break easily. Strong means it will not break easily. Absorbent. That means that water can get sucked in, so it can hold water. Waterproof. That means it cannot hold water. Okay, so water will not go in. Opaque. Okay, and transparent. Transparent means we can see through it. Opaque means we cannot see through it. Smooth. Rough. Soft. Hard. Okay, now we're going to show you two more. We also get shiny and dull. So shiny means that it reflects the light very well, okay? And dull means it does not reflect the light very well. So my cell phone can be very shiny. It can reflect the light, but my jersey is very dull. Okay, so are you ready for your quiz? You're going to need your whiteboard, okay? Your whiteboard and your marker. Otherwise, if you don't have your whiteboard and marker, you can get a piece of paper. So on your whiteboard or your paper, I want you to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the same like teacher. And then you're just going to write letter A or letter B. That's all you need to do. Okay, so if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video. So let's start. Number 1, look at the picture of the brick. Is it, oh, sorry. Okay, is it A, flexible, or B, rigid? Remember, flexible and rigid. So just write A or B next to number 1. If I'm going too fast, you can push pause. Number 2, look at the different pictures. There's paper towel, towels, cotton, a sponge, a mop, a cleaning cloth, okay? Is it absorbent or waterproof? Number 3, is it A, look at this piece of wood. Is it A, transparent, or B, opaque? Number 4, is it A, smooth, or B, rough? Number 5, is the ball A, dull, or B, shiny? Number 6, the pillow that we sleep on. Is it A, soft, or B, hard? Okay, so let's check our answers. Okay, so number 1, is it the brick was B, rigid. Okay, we cannot move the brick. Okay, it is very rigid. The paper is very flexible. We can bend it. Okay, number 2, the answer was A, absorbent. That means it can hold water. But these gum boots or rain boots are waterproof. They do not allow water inside. So if you wear them, water will not get into your feet or get onto your feet. But the sponge holds the water inside. Okay, number 3, the answer was opaque. We cannot see through the wood. But the glass is transparent. We can see through it. Number 4, the answer was A, smooth. Remember to tick or cross, okay? And this rock is very rough. Number 5, okay, the ball is very shiny. This ball, the soccer ball, is very dull, okay? Because look at the light reflecting it, okay? The next one. So it says, the same objects can be sorted into dull and shiny groups. So we have the brick, a jumper or a jersey, some tissue, knives and forks, an ice block, and a balloon. So all of these are very dull. They do not reflect light. But water, like this ice block, balloons, and metal objects often are very shiny. Okay, the next, number 6, was soft. The pillow is very soft. The rock is very hard. So the same materials we can sort into different groups. So all of these are very hard. The brick is hard, but it is not shiny. The metal cutlery, the metal knives and forks, very hard. The ice block is hard. Okay, and all of these things are soft. So here we have 3 different girls. It says, look at the pictures to see what to do. It says, let's separate the materials as hard or soft. This girl says, is the ball of wool hard or soft? So is this ball of wool hard or soft? She says, it's soft. So let's put it into the soft group. Okay, so we move that ball of wool into the soft group. Okay, next time we will sort the rest. So today we are going to sort through these materials. Okay. I have a pot. Okay, so the pot, I have a sponge. Okay, we have a pencil, some glasses. Okay, a jar. Okay, and oopsie, sorry, a rain jacket and a tissue. Okay, oh sorry, a coin, okay, and a tissue. So let's start. So here you need to see, okay, the first one I will do with you. So we have the pot and each picture has a number. You need to write only the number into the right places. Is it hard or is it soft? Remember, the space in the middle means that it is hard and soft. Okay, so let's start. The pot. Okay, is the pot hard or soft? Okay, it is hard. Okay, next we have the sponge. Can you see the sponge? It is very soft. So we put it in the number 2 is under soft. The tissue is also soft. The pencil, okay, the pencil is very hard. The raincoat is very soft. Okay, here the coin is it's made out of metal. Okay, it is very hard. Okay, the glasses are also very hard. So we put them in number 7 goes to hard. And the last one, the jar, okay, this is also hard. Okay, so here are all the pictures into the correct places. Now I want you to try by yourself. So on your whiteboard, you need to draw 2 circles and write flexible and waterproof. So draw like this. You can pause the video to draw the circles or into your notebook. Okay, now you need to look at all of these pictures, okay, and you just write the numbers into the correct places. Is it flexible? Is it waterproof? Is it flexible and waterproof? Then you write it in the middle. If it does not belong into any group, then do not write it into the circles. Okay, so you can pause the video and then we're going to check together. Okay, so pause and try by yourself. Okay, now we're going to check. So the pot. Can water go through the pot? No, the pot does not allow water to go through. So we say it is waterproof. Okay, number 2, the sponge. Is the sponge flexible? Yes. Is it waterproof? No. So it is number 2. Number 3 is the tissue. Is the tissue flexible? Okay. Or is it waterproof? No. So it only goes into flexible. Okay. Number 4, is the pencil flexible? No. Is it waterproof? Okay. Yes, it does not allow water to go inside. Okay. Next is the raincoat. Is the raincoat flexible? Yes. Is it waterproof? Yes. If we wear our raincoat, we will not get wet. Okay. Number 6 is the coin. Is the coin flexible? No. Is it waterproof? Yes, it does not let water inside. Okay. The glasses. Are the glasses flexible? No, we cannot bend them. Are they waterproof? Yes, they do not allow water to go through it. Okay, and the last one, number 8, is this jar. Okay, is the jar flexible? No, I cannot bend the jar. Okay, and it is waterproof. So it goes into number 8. So the last one, I want you to try again by yourself. It says, okay, you're going to draw 2 circles and write hard and opaque. Remember, opaque is the opposite of transparent. So transparent, so opaque, we cannot see through. Okay, so try now by yourself. Then we will check. Okay, so let's check your answers. Number 1, the pot is very hard. Yes. Can we see through the pot? No. So is it opaque? Yes. So we put it in the middle. It's hard and opaque. Is the sponge hard? Okay. No, it's quite soft. Is it opaque? Can you see through the sponge? So it is opaque. Next, the tissue. The tissue is not hard, but it is opaque. The pencil is quite hard and it is opaque, so we put it in the middle. Our raincoat is not hard, but it is opaque. It is not see-through. Okay, the coin is quite hard. Can we see through the coin? No, so It is hard and opaque. Okay, the glasses are quite hard, and can we see through the glasses? Of course. So they are not opaque, they are transparent. So we put it in the hard group. And the last one is the glass jar. Is it hard? Yes. Can we see through it? Yes. So it is not opaque, we say it is transparent. So you only put it in the hard group. Okay. Now, for homework, I want you to finish your activity book, page 28. Okay? If you don't have your activity book, you can print the worksheet. If you cannot print the worksheet, in your notebook, I want you to write the same as this page. You write science and the date. You write your name, your class, and you write 5.2 activity book, page 28. And you draw the circles in. Okay? You copy like this. And then you look at the worksheet. You look at the worksheet and draw into your notebook. Okay, that means everybody should finish this worksheet. Even if you cannot print, you can still do it. And for the next lesson, when I see you on Thursday or Friday, please make sure that your activity book worksheet is complete and that you have it next to you on your table, okay, so that we can mark together. Remember, I will ask you to show me your activity book in the video. So please make sure you finish your work. Okay, okie dokie. Thank you, everybody. Goodbye.